Right now, the day is ending. You've carried so many thoughts, so many responsibilities, so many tasks. And maybe your mind is still racing, still running in circles, trying to solve problems that don't belong to this moment. But here, in this practice, you are safe. Here, you are invited to let go. Here, you can rest. By the end of this meditation, your thoughts will feel slower, softer, quieter. Your body will feel heavier, ready to sink into comfort. And your mind will learn that it is possible to release the rush, the noise, the spinning, and step into deep, peaceful sleep. So stay with me until the end. Because the longer you remain here, the more your brain learns to calm itself. And at the very end, we will seal this experience with affirmations, simple, soothing words that will anchor calm into your night so that rest comes naturally. And if you're not subscribed yet, this is the moment to choose that for yourself. Subscribing is not just about following a channel. It's about creating a rhythm for your life, a morning practice to begin the day with clarity, a midday reset to regain concentration, and a night meditation like this to let go of racing thoughts and prepare for sleep. Each video here is a piece of your transformation. Together, they create a cycle of calm, balance, and focus that supports your best version. So subscribe now, and let's continue this journey day by day, night by night. Take a slow, deep breath. In, hold it gently, and exhale slowly. Notice the way your body softens with just one breath. Your shoulders drop, your chest loosens. Even your jaw relaxes a little more. Breathe again. And as you do, imagine you are inhaling calm, exhaling noise, inhaling peace, exhaling pressure. Your mind may still want to run. It may still want to spin. That's okay. That's what minds do. But here, tonight, you will learn a new way. The way of release. The way of slowing down. The way of resting. So stay with me. Because the longer you listen, the more your body will settle, the more your mind will soften, and the easier it will be to let sleep come to you. This short time is not wasted. It is an investment. Every breath, every word, every pause is training your brain. I can calm down. I can let go. I can rest. Stay until the end, and you will notice how different you feel. Thoughts no longer racing but floating. Body no longer tense but grounded. Mind no longer spinning but gently quiet. And tonight, you deserve this peace. You deserve to rest. You deserve to drift into sleep with calm, not chaos. So let us begin the journey. The reset is starting now. Close your eyes now. Take a slow, gentle breath in through your nose. Hold it softly. And exhale fully through your mouth. Notice how, with just this breath, your body already begins to release the weight of the day. Let's begin with a simple rhythm of breathing. Inhale to the count of 4. Hold for the count of 7. Exhale slowly to the count of 8. Again, inhale, hold, exhale. As you repeat this rhythm, feel your heart slowing down, your chest softening, your thoughts becoming quieter with each cycle. This is your signal to your body. It's safe to rest. Now. Now imagine above you a wide, dark sky filled with stars. The stars are steady, calm, eternal. And your thoughts, all those racing, spinning thoughts, they are like passing clouds moving across the sky. Some clouds are fast, Some are heavy, some are light. But none of them stay forever. They pass, and the stars remain. Repeat silently inside. My thoughts may come and go, but I remain calm, steady, safe. Take another slow breath. As you inhale, imagine pulling in soft moonlight, filling your body with peace. As you exhale, imagine releasing all tension, all noise, all racing energy that no longer serves you. Inhale light, exhale noise. Inhale calm. Exhale pressure. Now, see yourself lying down near a quiet river at night. The water moves gently, carrying leaves downstream. Each leaf is a thought that tries to race in your mind. You notice it, you place it on the water, and you let the river carry it away. No need to chase, no need to hold, no need to fight. The river takes it for you. Watch thought after thought float away until the water looks clear and calm. Stay here for a moment, listening to the gentle rhythm of your breath. Notice how your body feels heavier now, as if sinking into the earth beneath you. Your legs relax, your arms soften, your face smooths. You are entering the quiet space where sleep begins. If your mind tries to rush again, simply return to the river. Place the thought on a leaf, watch it drift away. Over and over, until your mind understands. It is time to let go. Repeat silently with me. I am safe now. I am calm now. My mind is slowing down. Sleep is coming naturally. And as these words echo inside, feel the change. In your body, your chest feels open, breathing easy. Your hands and feet grow warm and soft. Your jaw unclenches. Your whole body is inviting rest. Tonight, you don't have to solve anything. You don't have to fix anything. You don't have to plan, control, or predict. All you have to do is rest. Let the world take care of itself for now. Your only task is to let go. So breathe again. Inhale soft light, exhale racing thoughts. Inhale peace, exhale tension. And with each breath, the river grows quieter. The sky grows clearer. Your mind grows calmer. Stay with me until the end, because soon we will seal this night with affirmations, gentle words that will carry you into sleep, so that even as you drift away, your brain continues to learn. I can rest, I can release, I can sleep in peace. You've calmed your breath. You've placed your racing thoughts on the river and watched them drift away. And now it's time to lock this peace into your mind and body. We will do this through affirmations, gentle truths that your brain will carry into sleep. Repeat them silently or whisper softly. I am safe. I am calm. My mind is slowing down. I release the day. I allow myself to rest. Breathe again. Slowly, with each inhale, imagine drawing peace inside. With each exhale, feel the last bits of tension leaving your body. Let's continue. I don't need to solve anything tonight. I don't need to carry tomorrow yet. I am here, now, ready for sleep. Peace flows through me. Sleep comes naturally. Notice how, as you repeat, your body feels heavier, softer, more at ease. Your shoulders have dropped. Your jaw has unclenched. Your hands rest gently. Your whole being is signaling, it's time to sleep. Now, let's guide your body step by step into full relaxation. Bring awareness to your feet. Let them grow heavy. Warm, relaxed. Move up to your legs, sinking deeper into rest. Your hips and lower back loosening, letting go of any weight. Your chest rising and falling softly, each breath slower, quieter. Your shoulders releasing all tension, dropping into comfort. Your arms and hands heavy, still, calm. Your neck and jaw softening, releasing every trace of effort. Your eyes and forehead smooth, light, quiet. Now your whole body is resting, your mind slowing, your breath steady and calm. Repeat once more with me. I am safe. I am calm. I am ready to sleep. Stay with me until the very end, because the longer you listen, the deeper your brain learns that rest is safe, natural, and healing. Even if sleep takes you before we finish, that's perfect. Your subconscious will keep absorbing the calm, the affirmations, the peace. And remember, this is just one part of your transformation. If you want to begin every morning with clarity, reset your focus every afternoon, and end every night in peace, make sure you're subscribed. Subscribing means you don't have to think or search. Your next practice will always be waiting, guiding you step by step, day by day. Morning clarity, midday balance, nightly calm. A full cycle to train your brain and support your best version. So, if you haven't yet, subscribe now and let this journey continue with me. Because you deserve calm mornings, focused afternoons, and peaceful nights. Now, allow yourself to drift. There is nothing left to do. No rush, no noise, no pressure. Only this moment, only this sound, only this peace. Stay until the end. Let the music carry you. And allow sleep to come gently, naturally, beautifully. Because you are safe. You are calm. And you are ready to rest.